हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं एंड यू वांट डेली स्टडी व्लॉग्स, इधर यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कैट 2025, देन सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन ऑन करना ना भूलिएगा। So I'm Krishika, and in this video I'm gonna tell you my cat 2025 journey, and if you like it you can follow the same too. So let's see like what I'm gonna do for for this month in January. First of all, in this month, uh, I have also joined an offline coaching, RMS coaching. I would recommend try taking demos till 15th of Jan or as soon as possible. Try completing all the demo lectures of classes nearby you offline. But if it is something like where you can't join offline, you have to join online, then only go with online. Otherwise, like if you have consistency or if you don't have sources over there in offline, so you can go for online. Otherwise, check out for the offline only, because I would recommend go with the offline, because last year I gave CAT 2024 and I joined online classes in 8th grade, but the problem is I was not consistent because it was online coaching. It doesn't have personal mentoring, it doesn't have consistency and all. So there are a lot of distractions. But if you go for offline coaching, you will straightly study for 2 hours continuously without phone, because you don't have any other option in offline coaching. So I would recommend go for offline coaching. I have joined IMS in Mumbai. So it depends on you. Whichever coaching is good nearby, join it. Also, the plan of me for January will be I'll study whatever will be taught in the class. I'll do it once again in the room again, and then I'll try to enhance the speed of my calculations in mathematics, like squares, square roots, cubes, also tables, multiplications. I'll try ki I do it very fast so that it doesn't affect my in math snap, because they doesn't have calculators, right? So calculators are only provided in stat, but I'm also gonna give snap and math, so it will help a lot. And also cat calculator, it's screen calculator. So basically screen calculator is not very easy, it is time consuming obviously. So I would recommend in this month go with your calculations, like make it very fast, so that in the full year you have a practice, you will have a grip, so it will be easy. And then also start reading some articles, books, like most famous are Aeons, Smithsonian. I've written here all, and I would keep this. So they are Aeon, Smithsonian, Atlantic, The Guardian, New York Times, all daily with Power Media DC. So I knew this last year also, but last year I just did the prep for 4 months, so I couldn't read this. I didn't had the time, but I just read few pages of word power made easy, and I found that whatever words in the RCs I found it difficult to read. They were already in the word power made easy. If we read it beforehand, we know the meanings of the words. It will literally help in the RC solving. So I would recommend read all these for once, because you have a lot of time in January. In January, my aim is to read at least two, maybe like word power made easy. I will read daily few pages, 2-3 pages, or each section. Like I'll do like that. I'll make daily vlogs, whatever I'll be studying, whatever I'll be doing, mostly daily vlogs, so that you will also know. And join me with this journey so that we can do it together this time. And yes, I'll end this video here. So all the best. I would recommend go for offline coaching and just ace your things this year. Fast calculations, LCM, HCF, and reading comprehension. All these things, if you do this month, it will gonna help you a whole year. So believe me, do it right once. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye bye. And if you like my vlogs, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bell notification icon on करना ना भूलिएगा. Also like the video. Bye bye.